Topology. Topology refers to the geometric arrangement of computers or nodes in a network. The factors that determine the type of topology are cost, flexibility, and reliability. There are 5 different types of topologies. Let us learn about them. Bus topology. In this topology, all the nodes are connected to a single common path. It is simple and easy to maintain. Additional nodes can be connected at any point along its length.
The major disadvantage of this topology is that fault detection is difficult and a failure in the main cable can bring down the entire network.
Ring topology. In this topology, all the nodes are connected in a circular path. The messages travel in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. Any damage to the cable of any node or device can result in breakdown of the whole network. Star topology. In this topology, central node acts as a hub to which all the other nodes are connected. As compared to the bus topology, star topology requires more devices and cables.
The addition of a new node to a star topology is easier compared to other topologies such as bus, as it involves a connection only to the central node.
Tree topology. In this topology, nodes are connected as branches of a tree where hub acts as a root node.
It is scalable as it is easier to add new or remove the faulty nodes. However, its major disadvantage is that if the root node fails to operate, the entire network is inoperable.
Mesh topology. In this topology, every single node in a network is connected to all the other nodes or computers in the network.
There are minimal chances of network failure in this topology due to redundant connections.